has once again shown us the power of wisdom and humor combined. Thank you, students. The most prestigious part of this big day is nothing but the annual report of the year 2024-25. This is a moment for us to come together and reflect on the journey we had over the past year, a year that has been full of both challenges and triumphs. Today, we will take a closer look at our achievements, growth, and way forward. I would like to call our dear principal to share Advait International Academy's annual report.
Dear parents, attention please. Participants of UKG B, UKG C and LKG A are ready for the dispersal. I repeat, participants of UKG B, UKG C and LKG A are ready for the dispersal. You are requested to pick up your wards. Thank you.
Hello, check. Namaste and good evening, everyone. I warmly welcome you, highlighting our achievements, milestones, and student successes, showcasing our school's growth and excellence. Let's begin with academics. As the great George Washington once said, education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. The year 2024 began on a triumphant note with the outstanding result of our 10th and 12th classes in the CBSE board examination. We take immense pride in sharing the remarkable achievements of our students. We have demonstrated exceptional academic prowess and dedication. The grade 10 batch of 67 candidates achieved a 100% pass rate, with top scores ranging from 96.4% to 92.2%. Gokul Ramesh led with 96.4% amid strong competition. In grade 12, 196 students achieved excellent results, with science stream toppers Sandhya Elizabeth and Hari Prasad LK both scoring 97% and Durga Shri from Commerce achieving 98.4%, also topping the district. The top 17 in grade 12 scored between 98.4% and 93.6%. We also celebrated 7 centums in grade 10 and 15 in grade 12. Our student excelled beyond the board examination as well. Deepika B with 700 out of 720 topped in Krishnagiri district, and Sandhya Elizabeth with 66.7 out of 700 cracked NEET, earning placement in Madras Medical College and CMC Vellore respectively. Hari Prasad LK, Bharanidharan S, Nithora Das ranked in IIT JEE and secured admission to NIT Kollam and NIT Trichy. These results reflect the hard work of our students and the dedication of our teachers. On July 13, the school hosted the HSSC felicitation ceremony honoring the achievements of grade 10th and 12th students. The event recognized academic excellence. A special highlight was the award presentation to Durga Shri R, the grade 12 Hosur toppers, who was awarded a scooter for her outstanding performance. Durga Shri R is also entitled to the prestigious Advait Chairman's Scholarship, receiving a generous award of ₹20 lakh. Competitive examination plays a pivotal role in shaping students' future, fostering academic excellence and preparing them for life's challenges. Our Olympiad champions triumphed in the International Maths Olympiad, the National Cyber Olympiad, the National Social Studies Olympiad, the Science Olympiad Foundation, the International English Olympiad, the SOF Hindi Olympiad, the Hummingbird Tamil Olympiad and the International Commerce Olympiad inspire and remind us that with passion and persistence, nothing is impossible. Junior IAS exam, further motivating students to strengthen their general knowledge and current affairs. Congratulations to all the winners for their remarkable achievements. The students of the school are divided into 4 houses: Amichiran, Juthena, Kathar and Atleris. Each house is managed by housemaster, associate housemaster, house captain and vice captain, with the house on duty responsible for conducting day-to-day activities and competition in a systematic and disciplined manner. As a result of this structured framework, we move with a strong focus on leadership development, marked by 2 significant events. On June 22nd, we conducted a Students' Council election where students participated in a mock election to gain hands-on experience with the democratic process and importance of voting. This was followed by annual investiture ceremony on June 29, a grand occasion that formally inducted our new students leaders pledged to uphold their responsibilities with the dedication and integrity. Advait celebrated International Yoga Day to promote wellness and mindfulness within the school community. The theme, Yoga for Self and Society, was embraced by everyone. The day included students' performances, yoga session, dances, and a prayer song in both the campuses. Champions are made from perseverance, passion, and practice. Sports competition fosters positive challenges and sportsmanship, preparing students for life. With physical fitness and sports as key component of our curriculum, students excelled in various events, earning medals, certificates, and trophies. The annual Sports Day on August 14 and 15 was a vibrant celebration of athletics, teamwork, and school spirit, featuring flag hosting, invocation dance, drill performance, and social activities. Students from both the campuses showcased their skills and sportsmanship, starting with a grand procession led by students leader in coordinated uniform, followed by a disciplined parade around the field. The Amichiran House bagged the School Sport Championship trophy for 2024-25. The Inter-School Sports Meet held in November 15th and 16th. The Inter-School Sports Meet at Advait International Academy featured 28 schools and 72 events, including track and field, football, basketball, tennis, and volleyball. A total of 628 medals were awarded to outstanding performers. Overall championship was grabbed by Advait International Academy, with the first runner-up Titan School and the second runner-up Rockford International School. We are incredibly proud of our student sports champions whose hard work and teamwork have led to remarkable achievement in 21st Krishnagiri District Athletic Championship 2024. Yashika M from class 5 obtained first place in the under 12 girls 50-meter race. Sanskriti TV from class 8 earned third place in the under 14 girls triathlon. Harish from class 9 and Mithun from class 11 were selected to represent Krishnagiri district at the state basketball level. Pratiksha V from grade 8 represented Karnataka at the national football competition in West Bengal in September 24. We are proud to announce that Martin AJ from grade 11 brought home the prestigious Chief Minister Trophy from Krishnagiri in September 2024. Martin showcased exceptional athletic prowess, securing first position in 200-meter event and third in 400-meter event. His outstanding achievements were recognized with a cash prize of 5,000. Additionally, our school's under 17 basketball team secured the first runner-up position, earning a cash prize of 10,000 rupees. Krishant Well from grade 5 won 2 gold medals in under 11 category at the Hosur Sauday Sports Complex Skating Championships held at Selvam International School. Our under-14 boys football team emerged as champion of the Hosur Sahodaya Sports Complex football tournament, and Akshay from grade 7 secured the Best Player award. Our under-14 girls football team secured the second position in the CBSE Cluster South Zone football tournament held in MMS Hosur. The girls team in the under-17 volleyball tournament achieved second place at national level of CBSE sports meet with notable performance from the students across various grades. And Nandana from class 11 bagged the Best Defender award in the under-17 volleyball tournament. The entire girls team has earned the esteemed Advait Chairman Scholarship, receiving a substantial award of 3 lakh rupees. Now let's delve into the event conducted in our primary campus for grades pre-KG to grade 2 during the academic year 2024-25. Our academic year began with exciting events like planetarium experience on June 19, engaging maths activity for grade 2, poster making competition on the theme Say No to Single Use of Plastic on Environmental Day, and that animal data representation project. These events sparked curiosity, creativity, and environmental awareness among the students. Additionally, students enjoyed various activities, including a flameless cooking session, preparing healthy dishes like fruit and salad and no bread treats. Students also participated in various competitions like drawing and coloring, elocution, recitation, a memory game, and fancy dress competition. Our students enthusiastically celebrated Blue Day, Green Day, Fruits Day, and Vegetables Day, embracing significance of colors and nutrition in our everyday life. The year 2025 began on a high note with the Tiny Tots on January 4th, a healthy competition encouraging students' talent, and an expo on January 6th, an excellent platform for young learners exhibit their creativity and knowledge. School clubs are essential for students' growth, offering opportunity to explore interest, to develop skills, and to work collaboratively. At AIA, we have various clubs such as Thiruvallur Club, presenting Tamil Department, William Wordsworth Club, dedicated for English Department, Munshi Premchand Club, focusing on Hindi Department, and Kuvempu Club, celebrating Kannada. Shakuntala Devi Club for Maths Department, Episteme Squad for Science Department, Heritage Club for Social Science Department, and Supernova Club for Computer Science Department. On Saturdays, we also offer Journalism Club to train students in reporting and writing, Toastmaster Club for developing leadership and public speaking skills, MUN Club for fostering global awareness, diplomacy, and leadership skills, and Macpin Club for nurturing drama and performance skills. Let's take a look at the diverse activities organized by these clubs. At AIA, our Literary and Language Club organized various events throughout the year. Competitions such as handwriting, poetry, and essay writing, elocution, and recitation were conducted by William Wordsworth Club, Thiruvallur Club, and Munshi Premchand Club, including Kuvempu Club. Other notable events included the William Wordsworth Club's release of the school's newsletter. Munshi Premchand Club celebrated Hindi Divas, while Rhyme and Rhythm event was organized by Munshi Premchand Club and Kuvempu Club. The Shakuntala Devi Club organized the Maths Expo on November 22nd, featured students showcasing their talent through models, games, and activities. On November 25th, the Maths Club hosted competition testing logical thinking and mental agility. To celebrate Srinivasan Ramanujan National Mathematics Day on December 22nd, students participated in speed maths calculation, table making, and net diagram, promoting the spirit of mathematics and deepening their understanding. This event enhanced problem-solving skills and creativity. Episteme Squad organized activities and competition for students from from grade 1st to 11, such as drawing and poster making contest on theme like nature conservation, reducing plastic waste and saving water. Talk and poem writing competition on topic like food waste reduction and different types of habitat. Science-based competitions such as building and launching rocket, designing sustainable Mars colonies, and illustrating scientific concepts in chemistry and physics. These events encourage students to think creatively, develop important skills, and become more aware of their impact on their environment. The Heritage Club organized a series of engaging competition and activities to celebrate India's rich cultural heritage and foster creativity among students. Great specific activities showcased various talents such as allocation on freedom fighter, IPN, art, tribal puppet making, a Rajasthani mini exhibition, bookmark making, paper bag art, poster making. Additionally, Constitution Day was observed by grade 3 to 10, where students read and discuss the preamble, reinforcing important civic values. These activities not only celebrated India's heritage, but also encouraged students to explore and express their creativity. The Supernova Club on the Computer Science Department organized various competitions using the auto draw tools, promoting creativity, technical skills, and deeper understanding of technology. Students across different grades participated in activities such as digital artwork creation, typing speed challenges, digital scenery crafting, PowerPoint presentation on impact of AI in society, cybersecurity poster creation, and app development, showcasing their skills and innovation. Now let's look the event organized by the Commerce and Humanities Department in 24-25. The Commerce Department organized an insightful event on August 5th, analyzing the Union Budget 24-25. On August 23rd, a startup ideas competition was held for grade 11 and 12 students, showcasing innovative entrepreneurship concepts across sectors like agriculture to AI. On December 13, Archaeological Day was observed. Students of the Humanities Department organized a historical exhibition. On December 26, a session by Chartered Accountant Mr. Karthik helped grade 11 and 12 students understand a C examination process and explore other career options like CMA, ACCA, and CS. This session guided students in making informed decisions for their career in commerce. Ms. Ramya Shri S. from grade 12D excelled in business idea competition organized by IVB Business School, Chennai. She won the regional title and a cash prize of 30,000 after showcasing her innovative business idea. Ramya Shri has now advanced to the final round, scheduled for April 25 in Chennai, where she will present her idea to the distinguished panel, including cricketer and entrepreneur Mr. Ravichandra Ashwin. Advait School conducted an online Model United Nations training session for grade 6 and above on September 5th and 6th, led by Mr. Vaishnav from Trichy. The training introduced the students to MUN structure, committee, and negotiation skills, boosting their confidence for future participation. This session paved the way for Advait's prominent role in the Indian International Model United Nations, held from December 5th to 7 in Hosur Public School, featuring inspiring speeches, cultural performance, and the presence of Major General VPS Vakuni. The event concluded with Advait schools receiving the prestigious Best Delegation Award for the second consecutive year, highlighting its dedication to nurture leadership and global awareness. Festivals bring people together, spreading joy, love, and unity. AIA celebrated various festivals throughout the year, fostering unity and cultural significance. Even included Krishna Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Dashera, Diwali, Christmas, and Pongal, each marked with enthusiasm, performances, and traditional activities, strengthening the sense of community among students and staff. Advait School hosted a successful career guidance fair on November 23rd. A partnership with Uniwizard attracted the national and international universities students, and their parents had the opportunity to explore various academic options, with representatives from numerous institutions providing insights on courses, admission and campus life. The fair also welcomed students from other schools in Hosur, making it a community-wide event. AIA hosted two significant events promoting social awareness. Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India conducted a road safety awareness program for grades 5th to 12. Additionally, the Lion Club organized a poster making competition for grades 6 to 8 themed Peace Without Limit, encouraging global unity and creativity. Our school recognizes the immense value of field trip in broadening our students' horizon and enriching their academic experiences. AIA organized two field trips. 40 students visited Amritsar and Delhi, exploring historical sites like Golden Temple, Atari Baga border, Jallianwala Bagh, Red Fort, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House and many more. Another trip to GRS Fantasy Park in Mysore provided the grades 6 to 12 with thrilling rides and bonding experience. Advait School emphasizes faculty development through capacity building program and in-house training. 60 teachers attended CBPs on experiential learning and critical and creative thinking in September and December respectively, led by CBSE resource persons. Additionally, orientation programs were conducted for teachers, new students and parents, ensuring a smooth transition and familiarizing them with the school's culture and environment. Throughout the year, AIA students actively participate in various enriching CBSE activities, including quizzes, competition and campaigns. They showcase the skills in events like Indian Navy Quiz, Heritage India Quiz, Veer Gatha 4.0, while also demonstrating social responsibility through the Swachh Bharat campaign. The crowning jewel of our year's achievement is the prestigious Global Tamil Economic Development Achievement Award, conferred upon our respected chairman, Sri Ashwath Narayanan in London 2024. This esteemed recognition by the World Tamil Organization honors his visionary contribution to education, particularly his exemplary leadership during the pandemic. Ashwath Narayan sir was recognized for his exceptional commitment to his employees, demonstrated by 100% salary payment to the employees during the pandemic 2021-22 and 100% staff retention as testaments to his dedication for his team. Under his visionary leadership, our school boasts a magnificent 24 acres campus with 18 acres dedicated to sports and athletics, and a safe and secure environment with over 200 CCTV cameras installed inside and outside in the campuses. Our chairman's generosity is truly inspiring, with a remarkable allocation of 2,23,35,730 rupees towards student scholarships, aims to motivate and support students in their higher education pursuit. The academic scholar includes 51 lakh for first rank, 45 lakh for second rank, and 40 lakh for third rank at the national level. At the state level, 35 lakh for first rank, 30 lakh for second rank, and 25 lakh for third rank. 20 lakh for Hosur topper and 10,000 for centum scored in each subject. Additionally, sports scholarship include 51 lakh for international gold medalists, 25 lakh for silver and 20 lakh for bronze. 10 lakh for national gold medalists, 7 lakh for silver, 5 lakh for bronze, and 5 lakh for individual athletic gold medalist, 3 lakh for silver and 1 lakh for bronze. This is one of the highest scholarship program among the school in the world. The 2024-25 academic year was a resounding success for Advait International Academy, with students excelling in academics, sports and extracurricular activities. We look forward to continued success, committed to providing a holistic educational experience that nurtures young minds and foster overall development. Thank you.